Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the controller, sensor, RTC, and storage so you can build a reliable system. First, power the Arduino with a stable 5V2A supply and tie grounds together. This prevents brownouts. Then wire the Fingerprint sensor TX to Arduino RX and sensor RX to Arduino TX, because serial must cross. Once done, attach the RTC on I2C and the SD module on SBI pins, and power up briefly to confirm LEDs and basic connectivity before proceeding. Now you program the Arduino so the device can enroll and log prints. Install the Fingerprint library that matches your sensor, plus RT-Clib and SD support. These libraries handle low-level protocols. Write the sketch to enroll templates, capture matches, request the RTC time, and append a CSV line to the SD card. Make sure to include serial debug statements so you can see enrollment ID and match confidence. Once done, enroll a test finger and confirm a timestamped file entry to validate logic. Finish by mounting modules in a protective enclosure and adding visual feedback so users know success or failure. You should debounce triggers and map ID to names in a small config file on the SD card, then regularly backup templates. Make sure the RTC has a backup battery and run extended power tests to catch resets. If you face a no-match problem, check wiring and baud rate first, verify library compatibility, and clean the sensor glass. Often hardware contacts or baud mismatches are the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.